I am looking for passivity of my restoration.
We increase the accuracy of our full arch restoration. We find PIC speaking with Thibaut Casas, speaking about the company and the PIC Dental, and also through article in PubMed.
Really easy to make immediate loading as fast as possible with a loading in the same day of the surgery.
We'll have less errors and problems. All the mistakes we are going to make during these trainings are quite interesting because it will be easier for us to deal with the clinical case after.
Yeah, we have many tips and tricks.
What we expect is to be faster for the patient and also for our practice in our daily practice every day.
I think I make a good choice.